Alright guys, how's it going? I've got some nice jute here. Natural jute, 4 ply. This is 6mm, so that's what size that looks like. 66 feet of it there. I tried finding this stuff local, I couldn't find it anywhere. I've tried for months. But got it on Amazon, I found a good supply. There will be links down below if you want to get some too. Anyway, let's put that there. I cut a little piece off. I'll show you what I'm doing. I'm just fluffing it up like that. Let's cut a piece. I cut a piece off there. You just unravel these strands and fluff them up. And they get real fluffy. Perfect fire lighting material. Look how fine these hairs are. Yeah. Let's put a little pile here. A little bit goes a long way with this stuff. It really does. Alright, so I'm gonna fluff up this a little bit and then we'll throw a spark to it. Now we're using the VICTORINOX Pioneer today, and I'm going to use a little bit of fatwood as well, so we're going to scrape some of that, and we're using the punch, or the awl, or the pole. I don't want to put it on there though, so we'll keep that separate. I'm doing a little, hopefully it don't blow away. It's quite blowy, but the awl is pretty sharp, so we can get some shavings here. Alright, let's collect some shavings using the awl. Alright, we got a bunch of shavings in here. Let's get our little furry heap. A little sparkulator, a ferro rod. Let's see how this works out. Whoa. Yeah, we're away straight away. Let's get some fatty fatwood on. Pretty cool, huh? This old jute rope does really good. Great fire starter. Highly recommend it. Link down below if you want to get some. There's lots of jute rope out there, but it's finding a good natural one and that's thick enough. Alright, there we go. Alright, thanks for watching. Happy Fatwood Friday, everyone. Awesome little knife. The original, I think, the original Swiss Army knife. This is the same model that was issued to the militaries, really. It's no different. So there you go, guys. That's what jute does. Love these little Pioneer knives. Awesome knives, inexpensive, great survival tool, really. They really are. So there you go. That's the awl punch. Works great on the, works awesome on the ferro rod. Happy Fatwood Friday, everyone, and have a great weekend. Catch you later.